Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from selfhelpforyou.com. It's a number 4 and a U. Self-help for, I wonder if I can just show you that. If I can just click on, oh, that's remove. I won't be doing that. Okay, we'll leave it like this. This is 2026 Marketing in a Box. The link in the video description will take you to my site at selfhelpforyou.com. You'll see a full description of everything that's available. I'm going to rumble through a quick thing here. I'd like to start at the finish. It's $47. Wow, there must be a lot of stuff in here because it's an end of the year mega blowout and it's only available until December 30th for 2 more days. Let's dive in and take a quick look. So you can see here, they have all sorts of planners and templates and things that go with it. So let's screen down. Blah, blah, blah. We need lots of this. It's very important. And here's what you'll find. So here we go. Carefully curated package of planning your business and schedule tools, product creation tools, traffic and promotion tools, nurturing your audience tools, content and social media tools. Wow. You'll also get expert strategy and implementation help through an interactive members area, invitation to our live planning session, the best strategies for going strong into 2026, and support and feedback through 2026. This is not just a download. They're going to help you as well. So here, this is kind of crazy, but we'll take a look at this. You can see here, small business, side hustle planner, money mindset, habit tracking, Etsy business, developing entrepreneurial discipline, 3 simple things to do every day. This is a full out business planner. It gives you everything. So here, and I know I have everything that's listed. I've taken a huge PDF and put it all into the link. So click the link and you'll be able to see every single thing that's included. These are more like subcategories to give you an overall idea. So here we go. That's what I was talking about. 2026 side hustle planner, monthly, weekly planner, 3 simple things to do every day. We talked about that. New Year marketing and promotion, goal setting and guide, habit tracking planning, developing entrepreneurial discipline, small business planner, money mindset, journal and planner, Etsy business planner, homemade business planner. All of this is together. And then they go, once you've done this, the next step is turning that clarity into something tangible. The planning sets a direction, but real progress happens when ideas start taking shape as offers, products, and services you can actually put out into the world. That's why the next section focuses on product planning and creation tools. So this is another part, brainstorming and creating your product fast with these product creation tools. So you've got the planning, and now here we go. Create a fast and simple course workbook, create and sell digital products, crash course with templates, workbook, course template, 39 product mock-ups, book cover templates, course template package, brochure catalog ebook template, leveraging subscription payments guide and templates, create online challenges guide, ebook guide and templates, creating low content products and brainstorming, various printables, thought-provoking present. There's just a ton of stuff there. Anything you'd want to do. And here, let me just finish. What does it say right there? Creating products is a powerful step, but products only do their job when people can find them. That's called traffic. When you turn your ideas into products, the focus shifts to visibility, connection, and making sure your work reaches the right audience. That's where traffic and promotion tools come in, helping you share what you've created with clarity, consistency, and purpose, instead of relying on guesswork or one-off efforts. So here we go. This is the traffic and promotion tools. Wow, it's a complete business in a box. So here we go. Traffic and promotions, digital product creators, promotion workbook, product launch planner, list building guide and templates, essential traffic guide, checklist planners, copywriting guide and swipe files, build free traffic workbook and templates, SEO guide and templates, start your own affiliate program templates, product funnel templates, create a free offer templates, creating marketing synergy, how to connect all your marketing things, live streaming guide, worksheets, and calendar. That's all that puts that together. And then here, let's go back to what it says right here. So bringing people to your business, then it comes from what happens after someone finds you. So this is a complete business toolbox, everything you're going to need. The next set of tools focuses on nurturing your audience, strengthening trust, building ongoing relationships so your business continues to grow beyond a single launch or promotion or a one-time finding these things. So build and nurture, keep your audience going. So here we go. Find your audience, branding guide, email writing, become a leader, business event templates, customer service and retention, testimonials and case studies, and then here we go. So the next step is showing up consistently in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Content and social media are how you stay visible, share your message, and keep those connections alive. So this is all about creating some content and social media. I'm going to really cut this. I'm going to start to, here you go. Blog planning, social media content, content branding, content repurposing, AI to help you write, TikTok and Instagram, webinar, Facebook groups, YouTube marketing. Wow, this is for $47. It couldn't be any more complete. Instagram highlight to Pinterest, pin templates, quotes, faceless Instagram, travel TikTok, nature TikTok. Wow. Any one of those would be a $47 product. So we're going to come down to the bottom of this, and we've got live. That's what I said. There's live planning to help you do the whole thing. And then there's support and feedback through 2026. I'm going to stop there. This is the sales page you're going to get to. And at the bottom of the page, there you go. Click it. Like I said, $47. Wow, that was a lot of stuff. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. The page there gives you everything. There's a PDF. I just copied everything, and it's all in there. And you either click the product box at the top or the link at the bottom of that blog post, and it'll bring you to this page that we're at, which kind of more summarizes it. And then you can grab it for $47. It's called 2026 Marketing in a Box. It is not just a planning and scheduling toolbox. It is everything you need for your business. Check this out. Click the link. Go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from Self Help for You, 2026 Marketing in a Box. Enjoy.